Are you looking for the best spiral vegetable slicers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best spiral vegetable slicers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Paderno World Cuisine 3-blade vegetable slicer. This slicer deserves to be on our list of the best spiral vegetable slicers because of how easy and child-friendly it is. Both adults and supervised children can enjoy using this gadget to make a variety of vegetable shapes. It comes with 3 different blades that each have a unique function. The chipper blade produces thick spirals that are similar to curly fries. The shredder blade produces thin linguine shapes that you can use in soups, spaghetti, and stir-fry. The straight blade offers the most functionality because you can produce C-cuts, slices, ribbons, and shreds. The slicer is made from BPA-free plastic and is dishwasher-friendly. Moving on at number 4, we have the SpiraLife vegetable slicer. This particular slicer makes a claim that it produces the least amount of waste as compared to other products on the market. This is one of the best spiral vegetable slicers as it features a unique design that allows you to get the most out of your vegetable. It has a wider funnel and a cap that helps push out more of the vegetable as you slice it up. This product also features a thicker and sharper blade which helps prevent your noodles from coming out shredded or squished. It is also easy to clean and is dishwasher friendly. At number 3, we have the Fullstar vegetable slicer. This is one of the best spiral vegetable slicers because of how compact it is. If you are looking for a no-frills, no-fuss spiralizer, then this is your best option. Because of how small it is, cleaning up after is a breeze. Storing it is just as easy. Even though it is touted as being a space-saving machine, it still provides enough in terms of functionality. The slicer comes with 3 blades options that you can switch up with ease. The gadget has a removable container that allows you to store your vegetables once you've sliced them. It is made from non-toxic plastic which is BPA-free. At number 2, we have the Brieftons 7-blade Spiralizer. This Brieftons 7-blade Spiralizer offers you great value for money without compromising on quality. It comes with 7 different interchangeable blades. This means that you can serve your vegetables in 7 different ways. We like that it comes with a caddy that stores the blades when they are not in use. This is a safety measure as you wouldn't want to leave the blades lying around. The machine also includes a catch container where you can collect your newly spiraled vegetables. We like that the container also comes with a lid to help your vegetables stay fresh. And finally at number 1, we have the OXO Good Grips 3-blade Tabletop Spiralizer. If you are looking for a quick and simple way to make curly, spiral, shredded, and linguine vegetables, then this is the device you should get. This slicer comes with 3 sharp blades each with unique functions. The blades come with a storage container that not only stores the blades but helps keep them away from young adventurous children. The suction cup that comes with this spiralizer makes it easy to use on a tabletop. The suction is strong enough to provide stability as you make quick work of slicing your vegetables. For easy storage, the device folds up into a compact shape. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.